So my name is Nickolas Cote. I am the assistant head ice technician for the company Cool Rocks, and we do the ice contract here at the Royal Montreal Curling Club. It was founded in 1807, oldest known sports club in North America to still be running. I think early 1900s, the club was given the royal connotation from the royal family themselves. I catch myself when I'm out there sometimes, I just kind of look around at the building and I think this is pretty cool. It's pretty, you know, being in the first curling club that's in all of North America, probably second or third in the world, that's still open today. You know, each ice maker kind of has their little own spin on their ice. There's definitely a lot of pride in it. You know, you want the members and the players that are going out there to play on your ice to be happy with your product, happy with the job you've done. It's a lot of looking around and thinking, if I was going to be playing on this ice, would I be happy? It's a pretty good gig.